Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to see Instagram's password. First of all, open up the Instagram app. After getting into your Instagram account, tap on your profile from the bottom right. Then click on Menu from the top right corner and go into Settings and Privacy. Now click to see more in Account Center from Meta Account. Then from the Account Center, tap on Password and Security. Now click on Saved Login. From here, select your Instagram account to see its login info. Make sure you turned on the Saved Login options. After that, open up your phone settings. Scroll down and click on Google. Then tap on Manage your Google account and go into Security. Now click on Password Manager and tap to search Instagram here. You can see your Instagram password from here. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.